Hello again! I welcome you to the channel of Max Cantor Cooking or Max Cantor USA. And today I'll show you a new dish. We will be baking salmon. This is the salmon, I washed it already. It's about 700 grams. Beginning. Turning on the frying pan, pour vegetable oil in it. Now let me slice quickly the salmon, along with the skin. Dog, go aside. To such pieces. First thing, I'll fry salmon. About a minute on each side. What will my ingredients be, except salmon, or besides salmon? Dill, mushrooms 230 grams, onion, squeezed garlic, whipped cream, salt, pepper. As you see, everything is very simple. Let me chop the onion. I'll throw this out. Let me chop the onion into small cubes. The pan heated up. Frying salmon. Next, while the salmon is fried, I'll pepper and salt, black ground pepper and salt. Now let me slice mushrooms, champignons, arbitrarily. So, 1 minute passed, flipping salmon. And another minute on the other side. Okay, it's been 1 minute and I'm taking it off. Adding some more oil. Now onion. I'll add a tablespoon of squeezed garlic. We'll wait about 1 minute until golden crossed. Okay. Adding mushrooms. Making smaller light. Let mushrooms to simmer for 5 minutes. We'll continue. Mushrooms are simmering for about 5 minutes. Now whipped cream. With a little less than half a liter, 470 grams. Vamos! Mixing a little bit. Now I'm taking our fish and pushing back into the frying pan. Skin down. It doesn't matter at all. It will be more comfortable to pick it. Distribute everything evenly. Well, that's it. The light is slightly less than average. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Everything will be ready in 15 minutes and we will taste. Let's see. Very well. It's been 15 minutes. Next, I will chop dill quickly. Ready, and sprinkle on top of our fish. Closed and turned off. Let it soak a little bit and cool down, then we will taste. Well, my friends, let's degustate our fish with mushrooms, with sauce. I'll chase it today with wine. Huerta Plata. Honestly saying, I'm not a wine drinker. We'll try anyway. Gamar. Well, wine is not vodka. You can't drink much. It's nice. Let's have a piece of fish. Tastes crazy. The only thing I would salt a little bit more. What will I do right now? Other than that, just perfect. The salmon is very tender, mushroom sauce is perfectly delicious. What else I want to say? Look what a simple recipe, elementary and tastes just special. So guys, if you like this recipe, add likes, write it down, subscribe to my channel, make donations. And as usual, I'll see you in the next videos. Everyone.